5 reasons why people still buy the Maruti Swift. The Maruti Swift needs no introduction in the Indian market. It is one of the most popular hatchbacks in the country today, mainly due to few factors. Here are the 5 reasons why the vehicle continues to be selling huge numbers. Nationwide access to service and parts. This goes without saying. Maruti by far has the biggest after sales support in the country. Also, the Swift shares a lot of parts with other stable mates, which means finding parts for the vehicle is very easy, thus reassuring the customers on it. Maruti currently has 3215 service points across the country located in 1566 cities, whereas it has 2028 sale points in 1660 cities. Talking about being nationwide, fun to drive. The Swift is a fun to drive vehicle. Before the Baleno RS came, the Swift was the sportiest Maruti to be on sale in the country. The handling and the steering feedback is spot on, which makes the Swift a dream to drive. Power comes from either a 1.2-liter K-series petrol engine making 83 bhp and 115 Nm or 1.3 diesel engine making 74 bhp and 190 Nm. Both can be had in manual, something that will change with the arrival of the new Swift. No nonsense car. The Swift is a no nonsense vehicle. It is fun to drive, reliable, cheap to maintain, and yet practical to be used as a family hatchback. With a recent facelift, the company has added folding mirrors and parking sensors too, making it more practical and easy to drive. Looks sporty. The Swift is one of those vehicles whose designs hasn't really aged, even with the passing of time. When the first generation Swift, which was introduced in 2005, still continues to look fresh. While India never got the Swift spot, we have to make do with the normal one, which still looks stylish and sporty enough. Resale. Resale value is one of things where the Swift scores high. Since there is so much fan following for the vehicle and so much demand, the Swift is high up on the list when it comes to resale value. According to a survey done by Caravale, the Swift retained close to 85% of its value after 3 years and manages 65% after 5 years, which makes it is the highest in terms of hatchbacks in the country.